Hello everyone, welcome to this week's crypto update. I was about to give up on both SHIB and Litecoin until I saw this one chart that changed everything. If you're ignoring these two coins this week, you might be walking away from the next breakout. Let me show you exactly what I found. Today, we're diving deep into two very different cryptocurrencies that have been making waves in the market: Shiba Inu, SHIB, and Litecoin, LTC. While one started as a meme and the other is a foundational altcoin, both are currently at technical tipping points, and understanding their recent price action, technical setups, and fundamental outlooks is critical for any crypto investor right now. Let's begin with Shiba Inu. Over the past week, SHIB has been consolidating around 0.0126, showing a mild decline of about 0.7%. While the move might seem insignificant, it's actually quite telling. SHIB has repeatedly failed to break through the key resistance zone at 0.1013, a psychological barrier that traders have been watching for weeks. It's almost like the price wants to move higher, but lacks the conviction and volume to do so. This kind of price behavior often indicates market hesitation. Retail traders are hesitant to re-enter until a breakout confirms bullish momentum, while larger players remain on the sidelines due to weak fundamentals and macro uncertainty. On the technical front, SHIB continues to trade below the Ichimoku cloud, a tool that gives insight into momentum and potential trend reversal zones. When price sits below the cloud, it suggests bearish bias and lack of short-term buying pressure. And without a catalyst, either news-driven or technical, it's unlikely SHIB will break out of this range. That said, SHIB still maintains strong support around 0.0001265, 0.00127 arrows, which has repeatedly absorbed downward pressure. This creates a narrow compression range, and historically, such squeezes tend to lead to explosive moves once a breakout occurs. The question is, will it break up or down? On the fundamental side, Shiba Inu has been actively working to shed its meme coin identity. Projects like Shibarium, their Layer 2 solution, aim to provide lower fees and faster transactions, especially for NFT and DeFi use cases. Moreover, their move toward decentralized governance via the DAO is a step in the right direction, but adoption has been slow. Despite solid development, the market doesn't reward potential. It rewards execution and adoption, neither of which have yet triggered strong inflows into SHIB. SHIB remains a high-risk, high-reward asset. It's speculative, heavily sentiment-driven, and very volatile. If you're trading SHIB, the most important signal to watch is a confirmed breakout above $0.013 with strong volume. That would validate bullish strength and could open the door to $0.0135 or even $0.014 in a short time frame. Without that breakout, expect more sideways movement or even a possible drop to test lower supports. Now let's turn to Litecoin. Unlike SHIB, LTC shows a more structured and stable chart, reflecting gradual accumulation. Over the past week, it has been ranging between $86 and $89, with a slight upward tilt. What stands out is that LTC has respected support around $82–84 multiple times, bouncing cleanly each time it touches that zone. This suggests accumulation by smarter, more patient buyers. From a technical standpoint, LTC just reclaimed its 9-day exponential moving average, EMA, a short-term trend indicator that often signals momentum shifts. More importantly, we're now eyeing a key resistance level at $90. If the price can break and hold above $90, the path toward $92, and eventually the key psychological level at $100, becomes much more realistic. What adds conviction is that the chart shows a classic ascending triangle pattern, a bullish structure where price forms higher lows while pressing up against the same horizontal resistance. Breakouts from this pattern are often explosive, especially when volume confirms the move. On the fundamental level, Litecoin continues to benefit from being one of the most trusted and widely integrated cryptocurrencies in the world. It's known for fast, low-fee transactions, and it has real-world use cases across payments, merchant adoption, and ATM networks. Additionally, talks about a potential Litecoin ETF approval in the US are growing louder. Such an ETF would not only legitimize LTC further in the eyes of institutions, but could also lead to a significant price rally due to new capital inflows. Unlike SHIB, Litecoin offers both speculative potential and strong fundamentals. It's trusted, proven, and relatively undervalued compared to other Layer 1s. If the broader market stabilizes or turns bullish, LTC could be one of the first movers, especially as we approach the $90 breakout zone. So which one should you focus on? If you're a high-risk trader, SHIB might be worth watching, but only on confirmation of volume-backed breakouts. Without that, you're looking at chop, fake-outs, and loss of capital. If you're looking for a more technically sound and fundamentally supported play, Litecoin offers a cleaner setup, clearer risk-reward, and catalysts with real upside. Here's a smart way to play it. SHIB. Wait for a daily close above 0.013 tiers with increased volume. Target 0.0135, 0.04 tiers. Use stop loss just below 0.0126. LTC. Consider entries around 84.86 with stop loss under $82. Watch for a breakout above $90 and take profits around $90 to $100 depending on momentum. In times like these, when market direction isn't obvious, success comes down to preparation, patience, and position sizing. Don't chase hype. Let the setups come to you. Use volume and confirmation, not headlines, to guide your trades. Thanks for tuning in to this week's deep dive. If you found value here, drop a like and comment with the next coin you want us to analyze. And if you want to stay ahead of the market with real-time alerts, exclusive charts, and deep analysis you won't find anywhere else, make sure to visit www.blockchaindudes.com. There, you'll find the tools and insights serious traders rely on every day. See you on the inside, and as always, trade smart, stay patient, and never stop learning. Hello everyone,